Hello everyone. So I'm in the mall finishing up Christmas shopping for a few of my good friends that I work with. There is going to be one unboxing video later. No, it's not going to be what I got my friends because I can't really have them watching my videos and seeing what I got them. So, but yeah, there'll be another video here in a minute after I'm done ordering food. Bye. Hello everyone. So, real quick video this morning. I have just a real quick unboxing video for you now. Later on I will have some more because I'm going to be going somewhere today, but that will be in another video. So, what I have to unbox for you all today is the Kingdom Hearts Funko Pop blind boxes. I've been waiting for these to come out. I'm excited for them. I can't wait to open this. So, I already got into it. Let's just jump into it. It includes Hot Topic exclusives, so I don't know if that means I got one in here or if it's just... yeah. Let's open this sucker and find out. Found this at Hot Topic. Was very stoked when I found it. I know it's not my boy. I can already feel. Okay, so I did get a Hot Topic exclusive. I got the Halloween Town Donald. Oh, that's cool. He's transparent in the middle and on his arms. That's neat. There's no articulation to these guys, but they are awesome to have. There's 12, and I want all 12. I do. I seriously do. You've got Riku in his organization coat. You got Axel, King Mickey in his coat. You got Roxas in his coat. You got regular Roxas. You got Chip and Dale, Kairi, regular Riku, King Mickey, Halloween Town Sora, Halloween Town Donald, and Goofy. They are the exclusives. Right there's all the ones that you can get. I've got this one so I can mark that one off my list. Oh, I'm so stoked. I have been waiting for these. I want them, and I will get them. But that's my video for now. So, hope you all enjoy. Bye.